Finding the courage to change. Getting ready to get ready. There is a joke in the beverage program. Question: how do you know when a codependent has had a slip? Answer: they have a moment of compassion. It's a funny joke to the ones struggling with addiction. They haven't experienced a lot of compassion from their codependent people. But most codependents will become confused or upset at this joke. We don't realize how judgmental and controlling we really are. The codependent is seeking emotional sobriety and maturity. How do you measure that? My patterns of unhealthy behavior have a lot of momentum. It's impossible to just suddenly change direction. I have to learn to slow down and gradually stop the old patterns and gently try new behaviors. The best that I can do is to practice compassion, and the person who needs my compassion most is me. I've been judging my own failures harshly. I've given myself the impossible task of fixing others and failed again and again. I didn't realize that I had no power over them. But today, I can get ready to change. I can be more aware of what I'm feeling. I can practice new behaviors. I can ask my higher power for help. I can remember that when I ask, it is given. I can focus on being kind to myself. I can watch my own behavior for signs that I'm slipping. What I do to others, I am also doing even more unkindly to myself. That's good to know. I'm getting ready to get ready to change. My higher power will show me the way.